The impending iPhone 16 series from Apple is set to launch with some groundbreaking features that may completely change our expectations for the Pro lineup. The series, which includes the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, has been chosen for release in the autumn of 2024. Each model offers significant upgrades. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's bezel design is one of the most anticipated features. It may raise the bar for smartphone aesthetics. According to recent reports, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have the narrowest bezels ever on an iPhone, resulting in a practically bezel-less screen. In addition to improving the phone's aesthetics, this design maximizes the screen-to-body ratio and provides an unparalleled bigger display within a smaller form factor for the iPhone. According to blueprints leaked by the trusted Leaper Ice universe, the smartphone may have the thinnest bezel design on the market right now, measuring just 1.153 millimeters. Not only is the Pro Max model a part of this revolution in bezel design, but the iPhone 16 Pro is also anticipated to have bezels that are just as small. But the advances don't end with the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max series is set to include a number of further improvements. It is anticipated that the A18 Bionic chip, which offers notable performance enhancements and improved energy efficiency, would be at the core of these gadgets. All of the series' camera systems are expected to see significant improvements as well. Rumors suggest improved ultra-wide sensors and sophisticated computational photography capabilities, which could push the iPhone 16's camera performance to new heights for users who value bigger screens and longer battery life. It is rumored that the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, with their larger screens and stronger batteries, will meet these expectations. Along with these technological developments, Apple might be trying to appeal to a wider audience by offering additional color options for the iPhone 16 series. Though the exact colors are yet unknown, rumors have it that the new iPhones will come in a variety of colors, such as pink, green, blue, black, and white. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.